If you are an interior designer, you know this pain. The kitchen design is ready, but the presentation still takes forever. Drawing in one tool, rendering in other, and then everything has to be put together at the last minute. In this video, I will show you how to create a complete kitchen proposal presentation faster just using one tool, that is Rayon Design. Just look at these drawings. These all are created inside Rayon Design. You can see the elevation here, the floor plan here, and yes, even this axonometric view. And I created all these sheets completely from scratch. I didn't use any other software, not even one. Yes, you heard that right. Even this axonometric made inside Rayon. So, today I'm going to show you everything step by step, exactly how I made all these sheets. So, first of all, I will go to the left hand side and here you will see the layers panel. Simply click on it and now you will see the canvases section. Click on the plus icon and you will see the two options, model canvas or paper canvas. In paper canvas, you can create your sheets and scale layouts. In model canvas, you can create your drawings. Here you can see I have already created my presentation canvas and my drawing canvas. So I will go to my drawing canvas and here you can see these are the drawings I created in Rayon file. And if you go to the presentation canvas, you will see all the details I added to my paper canvas. Now, I'm going back to the model canvas. Here we are. Now, I will tell you one by one how I created these drawings. This is not very difficult. It's much easier than the traditional CAD. At the bottom toolbar, you will find all tools. You already know the wall tool, which is very simple to use, but today I will show you how to use the zone tool. This tool is very important for creating illustrations, drawings, and diagrams. Simply start with snapping your shape like I am doing. Zoom in, select your points carefully, and close the shape. Now that I have created this zone, I will go to the right hand side properties panel. From here, I can add an image, hatch, texture, gradient, or a color. I will go for a texture and you can see there are so many options available. I will select this one. Now you can see the texture is above everything. I can't see it properly, so I need to arrange the layers. I will select this zone layer and then drag it down in the layers panel. Now it is properly organized. So make sure you understand that everything in Rayon Design works with layers. Now, in this kitchen plan, you can see the main stove is missing. So what I will go is go to the block library. Here you will see the models I have already used and then you have the full library. Click on the library and you will find different folders for all the elements. For kitchen, we have 3 folders. I will go to the kitchen basics and here I will find the kitchen stove. I will simply drag and drop the kitchen stove into my drawing and here we have it. For the cabinets as well, you can see that the car case is already available in Rayon Design. You don't have to draw anything from scratch. If your client says they don't like this type of cabinet, you can simply change it. And you can easily update it in your plan section and elevation because you have all 3 views available, not just one. These families are really helpful for creating your architectural drawings. They make your workflow much easier and faster. After that, you will see that I have added many small elements like cups, jars, mugs, and other accessories. I didn't create them manually or use any other software. You will find all these inside the Rayon Design library. Just search for kitchen accessories folder and you will find everything. Cups, plates, pots, cooking items, and more. This is really convenient and these small details add life to your drawing and make them more interesting. At the bottom toolbar, you will see the drawing tools, the wall tool, the opening tool to create openings, the zone tool to add floorings or materials, the annotation tool to add notes, editing tools to modify elements, the layouts, and the utilities. These are the basic tools we use to create beautiful and engaging drawings. Now, I will show you how I create axonometric view without using any third-party software. I created it directly in Rayon Design. I go to the AI panel on the left-hand side, then click on Take Screenshot and capture my floor plan and elevation. Then select Axonometric tool option and click Send. You can see Rayon starts processing it, and here is the final axonometric generated by Rayon Design. You can review it and then insert it into your drawing area. When you select it, you will also see the option Edit with AI. Click on it and you will see options to stylize it as a render, freehand sketch, clay or wireframe. I will choose render and see how it generates the result. In the AI panel, you will see that it is creating the render. Let's wait and see what it generates. I haven't added any material prompt, so let's see the result. And here we have it. I can insert it into my drawing area and I'm quite impressed with how well it generated it. Now, I can select this image and go to Edit with AI and upscale it or remove the background. You can see how convenient it is to edit images directly inside Rayon Design. You don't have to open any other software. You can edit everything here. So, I created everything from scratch, from the mood board to the final renders inside Rayon Design. Now that we have all our drawings, I will go to the presentation canvas and show you how I created my test presentation. Here you can see images of furniture and tables. If you want to add images from catalog, I go to the menu bar and click Import Images, select the image and insert it. Then I choose it, Edit with AI and remove the background. After background is removed, I delete the previous version and place the new one properly. You can see how easy and convenient it is. You don't need Photoshop to remove backgrounds. Now, let me show you how I create these sheets. On the left hand side, click on Pages. Here you will find all the pages I created. At the top, click on the plus icon to create a new page. Select the page and from the right hand side, change the orientation and format. I will choose A3 landscape. Now go to the block library and search for Model Canvas title blocks. You will find many options for title blocks. Drag and drop into your sheet, scale it and place it properly. You can customize every detail in the title block. Names, logos, project details, everything. It is fully editable. If you want to use the same sheet layout as before, simply copy and paste it into the new sheet. Now your sheet is ready. Go to the bottom toolbar and select the View tool. Create a view box, select your view, overwrite it, use your mouse to zoom in or out. From here, you can insert your drawings or renders. You can also set the scale from the right-hand side Properties panel. If it is a technical drawing, right now I'm just adding a render. Scale is not required. Then from the bottom toolbar, I will select the Label tool and add labels to your drawing. I will label my axonometric view. You can add text and organize your sheets according to your presentation style. I will add another leader for the chair and write chair as per selection. You can also add link if needed. If you want to match the style of one leader to another, select the leader, use the picker tool from the right hand side and click on the other leader. Now, both have the same style. This is really easy and convenient. I added all my drawings and text in the same way. You just need to experiment a little. Now, on the top right side, click on the share icon. Here you will see the access option. You can enter your colleagues or client's email address and assign them as admin, editor, or viewer access. You can also create a public link, copy the link, share it via email, WhatsApp, or anywhere. And one more thing, you have the presentation mode. You don't need any other app to present your work. Simply toggle it on, copy the presentation link and share it with your client or open it directly in Rayon Design. So instead of using one tool for drawing, one tool for renders, and other tool for layouts, you can create your entire kitchen proposal, drawings, visuals, and presentation in one place. And that's why Rayon Design is becoming go-to tool for every interior designer who wants to work faster, cleaner, and with less stress. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I am Kritika, and I will see you in the next one.